In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Particl's forecasting tool to launch seasonal product lines that actually sell. My name's Ashley, and if you've ever guessed what to sell for Q4, Valentine's Day, or back to school and missed the mark, this is going to change how you plan launches forever. I'm going to walk you through what Particl is, how it can help you track real-time product trends, and how to actually use it confidently. Let's get into it. So what is Particl? Particl is an AI-powered product research and forecasting platform built specifically for e-commerce brands and sellers. So instead of relying on delayed trend reports or guesswork, Particl gives you real-time insight into what's trending on marketplaces like Amazon, Walmart, Etsy, and more. You can track SKUs across categories, analyze competitors, and most importantly, forecast demand for specific products based on actual buying behavior. That's what makes it so powerful for seasonal planning. You're not just hoping a product will take off, you're launching with data that shows it's already gaining traction. Now, why forecasting matters for seasonal products? Seasonal products can be gold mines, but only if you actually time it right. If you miss the trend, you're stuck with extra inventory. If you launch too early, no one's going to buy yet. And if you launch too late, you'll miss the wave. Forecasting tools like Particl help you avoid these problems. You get to see what products are growing in demand before they hit their peak, so you can source, launch, and promote at the right time. It's not just about picking a holiday theme, it's about showing when interest actually starts rising, when competition heats up, and when to pull back. Let's dive into the key features of Particl and how to actually use them for seasonal planning. If you want to follow along, I highly recommend checking out our link in the description below. You'll also get a 14-day free trial, so all you'll do is go ahead and click get started, and you will go ahead and sign up with an email and get logged in. So trend forecasting by category. Inside Particl, you can filter by product category like apparel, home beauty, or gifts and see which SKUs are trending up, flat, or declining. This is perfect for seasonal launches. Let's just say you're prepping for Valentine's Day, you can actually pull up current trending gift items in December and spot early movers before they're saturated. So all you do is navigate to trends, and then you can search for a specific item. Here you can go ahead and search, or you can see what specifically is already trending. You can also filter by 2 years, 6 months, whatever it is that you would like to see, or even 1 minute. Next is competitor tracking. So you can also follow what your competitors are launching and how their products are performing. Particl shows you which SKUs are rising in rank, how much revenue they're generating, and when they started gaining traction. This helps you reverse engineer what's working and avoid wasting time on dead products. So to do that, all you'll do is Company Explorer, and we'll even just go to Skims, for example, and here you can see their product types, their best-selling products, their price distribution, and then if you want to upgrade, you can also even see their sales over time, their Particl rank. You can even go to events that they're hosting. So example, they just had a Father's Day gift promo, a homepage overview with promotions. You also can dive into sales, and sales over time, again, you need to upgrade, but you can even see their specific products and their reviews, and you can even directly explore from here. So you can see the top variants. You also can see variant by color / size, price over time, and inventory over time. You can even go to pricing. So you can see the price of all of these different items. You can even see the total discounted products. You can see the product types. You can see the price distribution and the pricing over time. Next is rating. So you actually can go ahead and see the different ratings and the rating distribution percentage, the product types. They've also have pivot tables, so you can go ahead and see everything in a clear picture, and assets as well. You can even see Instagram average likes, most liked post, and even email, Instagram, SMS, Meta, so there's just so much information on here. Next is SKU level sales data. One of the most underrated features is the ability to track sales volume at the individual product level. This means if you see specific Halloween mug or Mother's Day candle gaining speed, you can confirm it's actually selling, not just getting listed. Next is velocity insights. So this feature helps you understand how fast products are selling. That way you're not just seeing that something is popular, you're seeing how quickly demand is picking it up, which is key for timing your inventory and marketing. marketing. So even if you click on a specific product, if you even select, for example, bookshelves, you can go ahead and see the estimated Particl market size, the total volume, the actual trend of sales volume, historical trends, etc. You can even see the number one product that's selling, as well as the price range, the mean, and the median price. You also can see market share as well. Next is launch planning and calendar view. So Particl also helps you plan your launches ahead of time. You can map out product drops based on trend forecasts, competitor timelines, and buying behavior across seasons. It's like having a virtual merch calendar that updates automatically. Just to show you a couple different things on here. So over here we have the navigation bar. So this is the company explorer, like we already saw. You also can add your favorites right here. They also have an AI analyst, so you can research directly in here as well. For example, analyze competitors, marketing insights, and macro trends. Then we've got the marketing asset library. So here you can see other companies' ads and assets. So you can go ahead and look at discount emails or warehouse sales, restock alerts, etc. So that's all emails. And then you can see home pages. And again, you can filter whatever you would like. We also have Instagram, so you can see which posts, and then SMS. So we've got texting here as well. And then lastly is meta ads. And again, you can filter all of these depending on what you're looking for. So you can filter by vertical, you can filter by company, and then they've got their events feed. So this is where you can view all events of your unlocked and favorite competitors in a comprehensive feed. Then you do have to upgrade for this, but you've got Product Explorer, advanced analysis like dashboards, compare, product matrix, benchmarking, etc. And then tools like product type taxonomy, product editor, and exports. So they have a lot of information in here, and even using the free trial, you still get access to so much data. Now let's go over mistakes to avoid when launching seasonal products. So number one is launching based on vibes instead of data. Just because a product feels seasonal doesn't mean there's demand for it. Use Particl to check that it's actually trending now and not last year. Number two is launching too late. Many seasonal trends peak earlier than expected. If you're promoting Christmas items in mid-December, you've already missed most of the buying window. With Particl, you'll see when interest starts rising, so you can be ahead. Number three is copywriting without context. If you see a competitor's product doing well, don't just copy it. Use Particl to understand why it's working, price, timing, bundle, design, and how you can offer something different that fits the trend. Number four is ignoring inventory velocity. If you don't track how quickly a product is moving, you'll either overstock or run out. Particl's velocity tracking makes sure you scale smart without guessing. Now let's dive into some of the pros and cons of using Particl for seasonal product launches. The biggest advantage of using Particl is that it gives you real-time data you can actually act on. Instead of waiting for monthly trend reports or relying on gut feelings, you can see what's trending right now, down to the individual SKU level. That alone makes your product research process way faster and way more accurate. It also saves you time by pulling data from multiple platforms in one dashboard. Whether you're selling on Amazon, Walmart, or Etsy, you don't have to jump between tools or spreadsheets. Everything is tracked in one place. Another huge plus is that it shows how quickly a product is gaining traction. That kind of insight is rare, and it helps you avoid jumping on trends too late or launching something that's already peaked. And if you're running multiple product lines or launches throughout the year, Particl's planning feature and forecasting tools gives you a bird's eye view of your calendar so you can stay ahead without scrambling last minute. Now for the cons. The one thing to keep in mind is that Particl isn't a cheap tool. It's priced for e-commerce sellers who are actively running a business and want serious insights. If you're just starting out with a single product, it might feel like more than you need at first. Also, while it gives you a ton of valuable data, it still requires some interpretation. You'll need to spend time digging into the charts, comparing trends, and making smart decisions based on what you find. So it's not completely plug and play. You've got to use the info to make it work. Now let's dive into their different plans so you can see if it would be a good fit for you. Again, if you want to check this out yourself and get access to a 14-day free trial, I've left the link in the description for you. They have a couple of different plans here. So first off, we've got the basic plan, which is free, and this is no credit card required. It's $0. With this, you see the pricing and discount data, the trends, the marketing asset library, assortment and review data, 1 month historical data, one included user, 50 views per user, one competitor, and and 5 AI analyst chats. Next, we've got the starter plan, and this is $250 per month. With this, you get everything in the free plan. You get 200 views per user, 5 competitors, and unlimited AI analyst chats, as well as SKU level sales. Then is the essential, which is $500 a month. And with this, you get everything in the starter, but you get unlimited views per user. You also get 3 included users and 6 months of historical data, as well as 10 competitors. Again, you get the unlimited AI analyst chats as well. And then lastly is the growth, which is $1,000 per month. With this, you get everything in the essential, but you get 12 months historical data, you get 3 included users, unlimited views per users, 10 competitors, unlimited AI analysts chats, and signature sales data. But again, if you want to check out any of these plans, you can get a free 14-day trial. So if you're launching product lines tied to holidays, back to school, or peak gifting seasons, Particl is one of the smartest tools you can use. It really just takes the guesswork out of what you sell and when. Whether you're in apparel, home goods, or custom print on demand, Particl helps you spot the right opportunities before they're oversaturated. You don't need to guess what's trending. You can actually use the data. It's one of the best forecasting tools out there, and it's perfect for e-commerce sellers who want to plan smarter and scale faster. That wraps up this video. This channel is dedicated to helping e-commerce sellers build profitable brands without burnout. We provide you with tutorials, reviews, and behind-the-scenes strategies to help you scale smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.